In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a Kajabi course creation tutorial. If you want one place to build a course, take payments, and deliver content without putting together tools, Kajabi is built for you. I'll be showing you a beginner walkthrough on how you can create a course and lessons, style the student experience, set your pricing, wire checkout, and more. If you would like to get started for absolutely free, you can actually get an extended 30-day free trial by using the link in our description. That way you can test it out for free and start adding your courses before you commit to a paid plan with the platform. Go ahead and use it to build the whole course while you watch along. So without much further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Once you have navigated to the link and you created your own free account, you should land on the main Kajabi dashboard. This is what it should look like, and then from here you want to go to the products and then click new product, course, and then name it. This will be your course's title. After that, you want to add a short description about what it is and then continue. The good thing about Kajabi is that it gives you some starting points. So we have an online course with pre-built scaffold, blank course so you can start from absolute zero, drip course with the time-released content, and finally a membership for ongoing catalog. If this is your first build, you want to pick online course so you can get a starter outline that you can overwrite. But if you're more interested in ongoing catalog and memberships, then of course you want to choose that option, and that way you can actually collect payments every single month or week depending on what you choose. The next step would be to structure the outline of your course. So Kajabi drops in sections and placeholder lessons. For example, we've got welcome, fundamentals, stuff like that. You can replace this dummy text with your real modules. If your content is not mapped yet, you can use Kajabi's outline helper to scaffold modules and lessons quickly. And then you can edit the titles to match your promise and learning path as you see it. Aim for a clear outcome-based module names, that way your students always know what they will be able to do next. The next step would be to add the lessons the right way. So you open a lesson and then upload your video. Kajabi hosts with Wistia under the hood, so you don't need a separate video host like Vimeo or YouTube, etc. If your audience likes audio on the go, you can upload a separate audio, so MP3 or something like that file, and make it downloadable. And for reference heavy material, you can add a text lesson instead of forcing a video into it. From my own experience, I noticed that students appreciate fast skim access. You can also attach any downloads needed, like checklists, templates, slides, or any files, and then write a tight description that tells your students what they will be doing, not just what they will see. If you assess understanding, you can also add a quiz at the end of a lesson or module, keeping it practical, 5 to 10 questions that confirm that they can apply what you just taught them. For software or step-by-step training, you can add a short do this now kind of task or homework so they can make progress during the lesson, not after it. In addition to that, we have automations that can save you time. So every lesson can fire an automation when completed. Some useful defaults that you can add is that you can tag the student as module 2 done, send a short notification for the next lesson, or unlock a bonus once they finish a key milestone. This keeps momentum up without you chasing people manually. Now, if your course is cohort style or you want to reduce refunds from binge buyers, you can set drip at the section level. Release module 1 on purchase, module 2 after 7 days, etc. If it's self-paced and short, you can unlock everything at once and let the students move. Now, to customize the student experience, you can go to the customize on the products, and this is the lesson player that your students will see. You can remove any default hero that you don't need, set your brand colors, upload a product thumbnail, and add lesson thumbnails if you have them. Keep the left navigation simple, section names on the left, lesson content on the right, downloads visible. Comments on only where discussion adds value. Use the preview button to view as a student and click through on desktop and mobile. Now, Kajabi sells access through offers. You can create an offer, attach your course, and choose a pricing, one-time, payment plan, or even a subscription. If it is a finite course, a one-time price or a 2 to 3 part payment plan works best. You set access to grant on purchase or align it with your drip schedule. Connect Stripe and or PayPal so checkout is live. Now, for speed, you can create one sales page with a built-in page builder. Headline that promises the outcome, short intro video or hero image, what's inside, so the module titles, who it's best for, who it's not for, a few proof elements such as results, testimonials if you have them, frequently asked questions, and a single clear call to action that points to your offer checkout. If you like using funnels, Kajabi's funnels can spin up a lead magnet, email nurture, sales page path, but I recommend that you don't overbuild on day one. You ship the core offer and then add the funnel. Some tips I would give you is that you want to skip fancy funnels, elaborate upsells, and pixel perfect design. All of that can wait. A clear outline, working videos, clean downloads, and a smooth checkout will beat fancy designs with no content every time. And that's really all about it to getting started with Kajabi as a complete beginner. You create the course product, build the outline, add your videos or texts or audios, attach download files if available, set automations or drip if needed, and then simply publish. If you want to follow these simple steps and have your own first course live, go ahead and navigate to the link in the description below this video and grab yourself an extended 30-day free trial. Create your account with Kajabi and publish at least one course before you commit to a paid plan. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think of it by leaving a comment down below. And if you have found it to be helpful or informative to watch, then give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos relating to this one.